I don't necessarily think that creating composite photography is absolutely a science. I think that there are, laws of physics and color theory and light that have to be paid attention to, but it's still a creative field. So I think that understanding how to make great composites is really playing well with the harmony of both. So when I'm really looking at a lot of great composite photography, I'm definitely looking at the attention paid to the details. So the details that are going to come out when we're taking in the information from the background, when we're taking in the information in the studio, and then compiling all of that and composing that into the digital art. I think it's extremely important to understand what really great harmony between backplate and subject is. I think that not all backgrounds are going to play well with all subjects. I think that we really have to pay attention that even though we're going for options, and that's what composite photography is, also understanding when to limit those options. In this tutorial, one of the first things I'm going to walk you through is how to analyze your backgrounds, how to take the information that's available and break them down and use that information going forward. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the studio and turn that into usable lighting scenarios. After that, we're going to jump into Photoshop and we're going to take all that information and turn it into believable composites. And I'm going to show you some examples of where the ideas worked seamlessly, and then definitely a couple of the scenarios where the concepts that we had didn't really work out and how we were able to work around those challenges. Anybody can achieve a huge amount of looks these days. We have more access to props and supplies, but on the other hand, if you get really good at digital art, you can also learn to make your own. I do think that most people can understand studio lighting. I think most people overcomplicate it. They get too worried about multiple light sources and crazy modifiers and everything like that, and it doesn't always have to be that. Can it benefit what you're working on? Absolutely, but it can be very simple.